You guys connected. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm glad I caught on to that. Um, I just asked Roke. Let me see. Am I having a lag right now? Okay, it's back to the two second. It said that after 30 to 30 minutes to 60 minutes plus of streaming, we were at 2.5 hours or so. It's common to do that, and that was like a 2, 3, 4, 5 minute delay. That's way too long. It did give me some setting changes that I can't change until I stop streaming. However, I'm glad I caught on to that. So I'm glad it happened on a day like today where we're just kind of going through stuff. Um, I would not want that to happen in our prime trading time. So knowing that, I'm gonna make those changes. However, it said it's common, there's nothing you can do. So just for safety purposes, every whatever 20, 30 minutes, because we don't need that much time of live streaming, um, for areas that are not, I mean, whatever, it'll just make more videos. But what we'll do is just restart the live so we can, um, you know, have a cleaner slate. It wasn't showing me any lags because I had the studio open and I was like, oh, it's working. And as soon as I opened this chat screen, and I'm like, why is my chart still moving around? Obviously, I can't hear myself talking because if I turn up the volume, it's gonna echo through the mic. Um, but I'm like, why is my chart moving around? I'm just sitting back and I'm just watching. I've been done talking. And I was like, okay, well, I'm glad I caught on to that. And now I saw that things like that can happen, I guess. One more thing to get out of the way. Technology, it's amazing to use, but it will definitely fail at the wrong timing. I'm glad that I didn't take no trades. Then, you guys would have been thinking to take a trade on a delayed time frame. I do not want to do that to anyone. So yeah, we'll either restart live streamings, or what we can do. I'll come up with a game plan. Maybe like that first half hour. Obviously, we find good setups. We'll live stream it, take the trades, stop the live streaming. Maybe at that time we could just connect to either Discord live just to still stream. I mean, I know that Discord one gives lags, um, but just to like go over things and then get my YouTube stream prepared. So if I see that, hey, we're gonna get ready for trade setups, maybe get the YouTube stream going for, um, because obviously we want to be able to record and keep. Discord live streaming is giving me lags like on the chart, so it's screwing my trading up. I'd rather have a lag on YouTube and know about it than to have my own trading get screwed up because I can't enter or exit or put a stop or whatever. And then I'll see if there's anything else out there. I mean, I don't. There's this studio. There's not even. I don't think there's even a paid service for me to say, "Oh, let me get a better version." It's free. If there is a better version, I will definitely look into it. But it did say this OBS Studio is the best. Let me see. Okay, so we're 10 minutes in. Let me see if there's any strong delays. Let me just move my chart. No, yeah, 2 seconds. So it seems like after 30, 40 minutes or an hour, it starts to have a longer delay. I will change the settings, but the settings that it did give me, let me go see what I asked Grok. What did I ask it? Yeah, my OBS Studio is not showing any lag. However, I'm noticing on YouTube Live after an hour of streaming, I see the screen still making moves and changes that have already been finished. Seems like it's been over 2 to 3 minutes of a delay. Can you explain and help? This is common YouTube issue, especially after streaming for a while. YouTube's live stream has variable latency that often increases over time, especially after 30 to 60 minutes of streaming. Even with the ultra low latency that you've adjusted to, slowly it drifts to higher delays. Your local OBS preview is real time, but what viewers and YouTube dashboard see can lag behind. 2 to 3 minute delay after an hour is unfortunately not a rare YouTube. Okay. Restart the stream. That's all it's saying. And bring it back down to your 2 to 3 seconds. You can lower your bit rate to 3500 to 4000, but that's too low. I think I have it at 4 or 4500 already, if I'm not mistaken. Would you like me to give you the fastest way to restart stream with minimal downtime, or do you want to? Oh, yeah. Yes. What's the fastest way to restart? Let's see what it says. Quick restart method, 30 to 60 seconds total. In OBS, click stop streaming. In YouTube, click the end stream. Confirm that's exactly what I did. Click new broadcast. Create a new broadcast. Click start streaming. This is the quickest way to reset the latency. Pro tip. Okay. And the fastest way to let viewers know this is happening and that I am going to restart. While the stream is live before stopping in the YouTube chat. Yep, recent delay might be right back. Stop streaming in OBS and the stream YouTube. Okay, got it. Back live delay should be as soon as the new stream starts. Posted in the chat. Back live delay should be much better now. Thanks for waiting. Okay, that's exactly what I did. Very good. I guess some Morat situations are gonna be remembered. Excellent match. Very good. What are we at? All right, it's that NY lunchtime. As you guys can see, the market is slow. I just wanted to get back on the stream and let you guys know that I caught on to this situation. I think over the weekend we can like connect on Discord, not with maybe with a chart or without a chart. We'll see. Just to maybe just talk about a few things. Let me see how it goes. And then so I can do that. Well, let me do some homework this 2 days. Maybe I'll do it on Sunday. Or yeah, Sunday, the giveaway thing. So this way, starting Monday, everyone can trade, and we can start finding some good trades. Um, Usually after a weekend, I don't know. I just like from Tuesday to Thursday the best, but I can't say that Mondays I haven't found good trades. Um, I get ready for Mondays, but for trading, but for some reason that like break in over that weekend, many times I kind of just want to see what the market does and then prepare myself for the week. But I mean, if the trade's set up perfectly, we're executing. That's any day, you know. As long as everything that we talk about, the structure is right, the confirmations are there, we're executing. So what I'm gonna do now, because I might even have to get a third screen, just so I can have chat open. My OBS software has to be open, but see, like I can't see my own. I mean, I see my trading view, and obviously I can trade on trading view, but I like to have my brokers open, and I like to have my trade copia open. I mean, it has to be open, um, uh, but like it's in the background right now. I like to see because God forbid, a glitch happens or something happens. I need to be able to use the flatten all button, and I need to be able to focus on make sure what trades entered, which ones didn't, which accounts. Things sometimes happen. It hasn't happened in a long time, but when it does happen, you need to be on top of it. So I might need to connect my third screen just so I can kind of spread it out and have eyes on it. Focus is in the middle, being on trading view, because that's where we chart and trade. But at least I can have these on the left and the right side to just be able to see everything, um, and to be able to quickly, make any changes, stop the stream, restart the stream. Uh, without having to, constantly minimize tabs and figuring out which tab is closed, which one is open. So yeah, I'll probably just do that over the weekend. I have a lot of monitors, so I'll just connect one more monitor. No, I have a splitter. Yeah, do I? Yeah, I have a splitter. Actually, I have a computer that I can just connect as a monitor. Okay, so one, two. Yeah. All right, so I'll do the monitor thing too. Yeah, this way I can see everything and be able to, in case somebody's having an issue, I want to be able to see the response on chat. I want to be able to have, so YouTube and Discord side by side. My brokers open in like one section. TradingView has one big screen, and the rest, oh, and the OBS just kind of running in the background. But I still want to be able to have it visual, so I can that every 30 minutes or what we do, the recording, stop streaming and restart every 30 to, once I started noticing a lag is happening more than 2 seconds, it starts going to 5, 10 seconds. I don't care. We'll just restart the stream. I don't want that 2 to 3 minute ever again. So great experience. Anyways, thanks guys. Let's go, just take a break from this slow situation. It's just gonna waste brain cells for no reason. If I do come back for the afternoon, I will definitely announce it. Um, Once my son sees me, it's harder for me to come back, just like yesterday. So I check it on my phone, but he's at that age. He's 2. He's like my best friend. So as soon as he sees me, it's game over. So this is why, like right now, I'm hiding in the office, and my wife gives me the time to do this, obviously. So she's taking care of him. But once I get out there, it's done for. He's like my man. He's here. Oh, sometimes he'll be screaming because he'll figure out I came to the. He thinks I left for like work or something. So he's not. But if he sees me walk this way, oh, he'll be just screaming after me. Like not in a bad way, screaming. Like it's funny. I actually captured some funny videos about it. Like he's like singing "Dada," like "Dada, Dada," like loud, and then my dogs start going off. It's hilarious. And I don't want to do that to him. I love spending time with him. So the goal is let's trade, let's make some money in the morning, hopefully trade setups in the morning so we can be done within that first hour and a half, because I like to spend time with my family and kid. And I want you guys to be able to get into that mindset, not to be stuck in front of this chart. I did say in the beginning, first few times, we will stay on a little bit longer, and I already mentally prepared myself for that. Because I'm trying to teach as well, and just go over some ground things. Um, so that was the goal, and also just to make sure. Absolutely, goal is family always, man. Thank you. And I also wanted to make sure, issues, anything that can come up, this way we catch on to it ahead of time, and it doesn't happen to us while we're trading and trying to avoid these things. It's not like I have experienced live streaming to tell you guys that, yeah, I've been through this. This is the first time I'm live streaming, and using these platforms to live stream. So all of this is new to me, and it's going to be a learning experience. So I know on the other side, it's hard for you guys to catch on, but thankfully my wife's helping me. She watches the stream too, and she'll tell me that, hey, this glitched or this happened, or I hear too much of a delay. So she'll just text me and let me know. And this way we're working together to make this situation work out. She's a NQ trader, so she'll do her own thing. So I kind of let that be. So it's good for her. I want her to, and she'll do her own thing. She knows I'm good at what I do, and I honestly, I will sometimes say she's a better trader than I am. I don't know how she trades NQ, but she just loves it. It works for her. Power to her. Um, so yeah, at least like she's helpful to give me some feedback on all these things, and she was actually glad that I got it started. She knew I've been wanting to do it for a long time, and it's not an easy process. It's not an easy platform. It's not an easy setup. It took some time. It took some brain energy, and it still seems like I got to put in some time and figure things out. But I'm here to try my best, and I know you guys are here to do your best in learning and trading. So the whole point is we work together, and I'm gonna try to just be trading the same way I would trade for myself. But now that I have accountability, um, you know, uh, I'm gonna try to only give the best setups. And if it's not there and I'm not giving it, don't be discouraged because I don't want anyone taking a loss. Um, we're 22 minutes on this live. I'm starting to notice a little bit of a lag. It started climbing closer to the 5 to 10 seconds. So seems like that, I'm glad I saw that too. So I'm gonna keep a close eye on that, make some changes, tell that to Grok. I'm gonna keep that in memory. And I wanna be able to, there's not gonna be ever perfect, but as long as my chart is not giving issues, I can speak it out and say, hey, I'm gonna try to figure out how to do it in a way, even for that 2 seconds, to give the information 2 seconds prior, and then also talk and say that exit and give you guys that 2 seconds head up. So it's actually lining up with my trading, just even that 2 seconds can mean a lot. Um, However, I'm going to figure that out. I'm going to figure out that timing of before entry and at it. I mean, before entry and at the exit. So we're all kind of in sync. So it's not like I exited and you guys are still in the trade, even that 2 second delay. I want to do it in a way. I might exit 2 seconds sooner, knowing I was going to exit 2 seconds later. So when you guys are exiting, you're actually getting that higher exit. So I might even do it that way or something. But so this way, when I'm making that announcement, or I'll make that announcement 2 seconds sooner before I even click exit. So we're all exiting actually at the same time. That's the right way to do it. There we go. I'll figure it out. I'll make those adjustments. Anyways, thanks everybody. I'll wait for that lag to finish before, let me see, movement.